Hi everyone, Trina here, back with another watercolor video, mixed media. I'm just starting off with drawing some resist marks through here. I'm not going to make the mistake we did yesterday by drawing too many. just a few resist marks. We're going to start with our sky. I want to do something a little bit more light today, I think. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of the sanguine. And I'm just going to put in a little bit of that color through here. And I want to keep it pretty light. I'm not going to wet it down to begin. I'm just going to kind of paint in some cloud formations through here with some of the sanguine. And then I want to come in with a little bit of the, a little bit of blue. So I've mixed up a little bit of the indigo with some, I think it's called rose madder. It's getting a little dry, so let's spritz that a little bit. I am working on a sheet of hot press Arches paper today that I have left over. So I'm just kind of being whimsical about it. I'm not quite sure. I want this to be straight because I was told my horizons were crooked yesterday. Oh no. Tragedy. Just kind of making some marks through here. And I think I'm going to want to bring in maybe a little bit of the cerulean, a little bit of blue sky up here. And kind of add a little bit of that color. I really liked painting with the, I'm going to add in the distressed oxides, but I also want to get better at painting with the brush. So that's my intention today, is to get better with the brush. Because I think we can do it, right? I feel like I want that to be a little bit more. I'm going to tilt it a little bit. I want to be softer, I think. And I think I want a little bit more of this color coming through here, maybe. Sort of a soft, almost like purple color, but not purple. I have an aversion to purple. We won't go into that, but I do. Let's be a little bit bolder with this color. If I can get any of it up. It's kind of doing something, don't you think? Let's come in maybe with a little bit more of the indigo. I kind of want it to come through here. Right through there. Maybe a little bit more of that sanguine color up in here. Trying to use light washes. Knowing that the color will definitely fade. Like I said, it's about 30% fade when it comes to the watercolor lightening. Add a little bit, make a little bit more of this sort of bluey purpley color. I'm gonna want a little bit more down here. I kind of want to bring a little bit of it down here a little bit too. think I'm going to mix it up with a little bit of the liquid umber. Try and bring in some more yellows into this. Looks like an orangey color. Just through here. You can see where we have our resist going on. I want to preserve some white spaces here. I don't want it to be all one color. Okay, I'm going to let this dry and we'll see where we're at. Okay, I'm going to come in with a little bit of Payne's Gray and a dry brush just to kind of create this line through here. Kind of just want a little landmass almost through there. I don't know. Let's just make a skinny line through here. That's kind of fun. Let's do, I'm trying to decide what color I should put down there. I think it needs to be an indigo, maybe. Okay, I'm going to come in with a little bit of the raw umber through here. I'm just going to kind of bring it through. Maybe a little bit over here too. This is coming together nicely. Might take some of that out. It's a little... Need some texture through there. Okay. Okay, I've mixed up a little bit of the liquid umber with some of the Payne's Gray. And I think I want to bring it through here. I just kind of feel like I wanted a little darker spot through there. Kind of covering up that sanguine though. Bring a little bit through here. Kind of mix it together with that blue over top. Fun green color. Oh, I like that. Are we okay with this? I maybe want some more of that sanguine over here. Give it a little bit of sanguine here. I'm going to bring that color through here a little bit. Just kind of layer it on top. I feel like I want it to be more. Okay, we're going to lighten it down a little bit. Kind of working wet and wet here. Let's bring a little bit more through here. Such a pretty color. Okay, let's let this dry and see where we're at. Okay, I've mixed up a little bit of a blue-green color that I think I want to add up here. Just need it a little bit more dark. Maybe need to, I'm not feeling whatever the shape is. I think I'm going to add some of this green through here, just a little bit. Because it was feeling a little disjointed through here. Let's put another little bit through there. Let's add some darker blues through here. Maybe even a little darker. I'm going to come in with a cool gray graphy tint. And we're just going to make a mark through here. Let's come in with the blue carbon paper. sketchy marks like get a little longer as we go up front here. I want to feel like those sand dune fences that that protect the dunes from erosion. I think that's what they're there for. Let me know in the comments. That's what those things are for. Kind of like that. And then lastly, I want some lines through here with our the Mungyo on deli paper. Sort of like the lines of that, the lines that you would see from the dunes. I'm going to come in with this yellow ochre pencil. I'm going to add some marks through here. It's just feeling a little flat to me. I like that better. Just need some texture. It's feeling a little bland. Okay, that did something. Okay, I'm going to come in with this Caran d'Ache. This is the umber. I'm going to add some marks through here. It's just not, it's feeling very predictable. And that's the last thing we want, right? We don't want it to be, it's got to have some energy to it. And it's just not. That's better. Okay, I've taken some of the ground espresso and put it on this stamp. I'm just going to press some of this into here. It just needs a little bit of something, something. I don't know. Yeah, I think that works. Is it too much? I don't think it's too much. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit more of this carbon paper and add a line. Just a couple of lines through here. That space was feeling a little, I like the white, but it was feeling a little flat. It didn't really make sense why there was a line there. So I kind of wanted to give it that feel of maybe something in the distance. Okay, so here it is with the matte. What do we think? It's really different, I think, from what I normally make. I love the sky. I think the sky came out great. It has that feel of like a sun peeking through, beachy kind of scene. Love the marks. Love the marks. I actually really like these marks through here. They add some texture, and I like the stamps. I like the resist and these little, I probably wish I would have done that in black maybe. I'm not sure if it works in the blue, but I think adding that blue back there really helped. I do like it. It's just a little different than what I normally make, but I like the colors. I like this idea of simple and then aggressive lines. So we need to think about that going forward. Like, how do we make more aggressive marks and still maintain this sort of landscapey feel? Because I don't want it to look like everybody else's watercolors. That's just not me. I think the stamping in here really helped give it some sort of vibe that it was missing, definitely texture-wise. But yeah, overall, I think it turned out great. So let me know your comments or your thoughts in the comments. And click over here to see the last video, and I'll see you tomorrow for another one, and we'll try something new. Thanks so much. Bye.